Hi, Lily. Do you want to go to the cinema?
Hi, Tom. Yes, I love movies. What should we watch?
How about Inside Out 2?
Great idea. I love the first one. When does it start?
It starts at 3 p.m. Can you come?
Listening and speaking. Go to the cinema.
Great idea. I love the first one. When does it start?
It starts at 3 p.m. Can you come?
Yes, I can. Let's meet at 2:30 p.m.
Do you want to buy popcorn?
Yes, I love popcorn. What about drinks?
I'll get a soda. What will you have?
I'll have orange juice. Do you have the tickets?
Yes, I bought them online.
Great, let's go inside.
Look, the movie posters are so cool.
Yes, they are. I can't wait to see the movie.
Let's get our snacks first.
Good idea. I want a big popcorn.
Me too, and a large soda.
I'll get some candy too. Do you want some?
Sure, let's share. Now let's find our seats.
Look, we have the best seats in the middle.
Perfect. The screen is so big from here.
And the sound will be amazing.
The lights are dimming. The movie is starting.
Wow, the animation is beautiful.
I love the colors and the music.
Look, it's joy and sadness.
They are my favorite characters.
Oh no, anxiety is here.
Don't worry, Joy will help.
I hope so. This part is exciting.
Yes, but it's also a bit scary.
Look, Riley is growing up.
She's so brave now.
I love the ending. It's so happy.
Me too. The movie was awesome.
Yes, it was. Let's go home now.
Okay, did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, I did. Thank you for inviting me.
You're welcome. Let's watch another movie soon.
Yes, let's do that. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Lily,